Question 6 reads, law of demand definition in economics. Our junior tutor has written that the law of demand states that there's a negative or inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded of a good. With an increase in price, there's a decrease in the quantity demanded, and vice versa. Price, rise or increase, is going to equal a demand, fall or decrease. And on the other hand, price, fall or decrease is going to equal a demand, rise or increase. This is correct. I will show you what that looks like on a graph. So again, I'm going to draw our supply and demand graph. And we're going to have our equilibrium, or our market clearing price. That's where supply meets demand. We draw it down. It's Q star, our optimal quantity. And to the left, that's P star, our optimal price. Now, when we have a very high price, I'll call this PH for P high. We see, if we draw over to the point where the demand curve is, then draw down to the x-axis, we see at a high price, people do not demand a lot of the good because they don't want to pay a lot for it. Similarly, at a low price, PL here, if we again draw over to the demand curve, you can see when the price of something is low, there is going to be a large amount of demand for it. Denote that QL. Also worth noting, if a market is in equilibrium, and the price is increased, then if we continue drawing this over, we'd see that the quantity demanded, noted by QH here, will be very low at this high price, but the quantity supplied, denoted by QL here, will be very high at this high price. So if there's a lot more supply than there is demand, you're going to have what's called a surplus. And not all of the goods in the market will be bought. Similarly, if the price is very low, like at PL here, we cross the supply curve right here. We can call this, I don't know, QS. And we don't reach the demand curve till over here. So in this case, we would have a quantity demanded more than a quantity supplied. There's more demand than supply, so we have a shortage.